I'm Michael from BufferBoys, and today we're carpet cleaning. So to clean the carpet, the first thing we're going to do is deep dry clean the carpet properly using the Kirby. We use the Kirby with vibration technology to remove all of the embedded dust from the carpet. So this is the sand, grit and dust that all other vacuum cleaners leave behind, and that we need to properly remove before we start washing. When this dirt accumulates, the carpets begin to look flat and dirty, and that's when we think about washing them. So we send them to the laundry, or we invite professionals in, and basically they'll wash on top of all of this dirt.